Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Subhangi and you're watching Glam Mermaid. Welcome back to yet another exciting video, and in today's video I'm gonna review this viral product from Mars that was out of stock since the last few weeks, and it recently got back in stock, so I grabbed it as soon as possible. So in this video we'll talk about the claims, how far it fulfills the claims, the review, and obviously the swatches. So this is a video you need to know before buying this product. This is how the packaging looks like. A very basic cardboard packaging, and on the top you're getting the shade names written. This is product. This is again having a precise 2-foot applicator if it's visible. Let's apply and see. So at first I'll apply a very thin layer of this lip mist. This is just a one single layer, like one dip, and this is the amount of color you're getting on your lips. So I will let it sit for around 5 minutes and not more, and then I will wipe it off and we'll see if it stains my lips properly as it claims or not. So it's been more than 5 minutes since I applied this thing on my lips, and now let's see the stain part. And I'm not expecting much, but let's see. So at first I'll do the honor to my hands and then to the lips. So it did stain my hand. Nice, actually. So after doing this, I'm pretty confident now that it might work properly. So now let's move to the lips. That's it. Wow. Like, this is the stain you're getting. It's not gonna go anywhere because it's the lip stain and it will stay for 5 hours straight. I didn't expect this much. Like, it's so good. This is the hand stain and this is the lip stain. So you can see. So if you have pigmented lips, the color distribution will be like this. If you have, like, I have a little bit darkness around this area, so you can see visibly that in this area the color is a little darker than the rest of the lips. So that will happen to you as well. So that's something you need to keep in mind. So now let's do the transfer test. Wow, literally nothing. Nothing at all. No budging, nothing. Like, whatever you do, it won't just budge. That's so great, isn't it? It is more like a lip oil and not a lip tint or lip mist, because it has a very slippery texture. It's very moisturizing and hydrating on the lips, and it gives super shiny glossy lips. This is the texture. It has a very watery texture. So this is rumored to be the dupe of the Romance Lasting Lip Tint, but in 1/3 the price, if not less. So it claims to give glossy finish, hydrating formula, long-lasting tint, and watery light texture. So now talking about its buildability, it is buildable. You can apply 1 layer, 2 layer, or 3 layer depending upon the shades. Like, if I talk about the darker shade, then for this shade 1 layer did pretty good job. But when I'll swatch colors like this, like nudish or light shades, I would have to apply 2 to 3 layers to get that proper look I want. Now talking about whether it's sticky, and it sticks to the lip, it sticks the hair. No, it is not sticky. Now talking about the transfer proof part of this one also. It doesn't transfer even in the glossy state. Like nothing, okay? Nothing. So with time, the glossiness will reduce. If you eat something, if you drink something, the glossiness will start to reduce slide by slide. You are getting 4.5 ml of product for rupees 299. Now let's move to the lip swatches. कितना सुंदर सुंदर शेड्स है यार. So if you have watched till here, then you have already seen the lip swatches, the review and everything about this product. So here comes my final verdict. Does it give glossy finish? Yes, it definitely does. Does it give long lasting stain? Yes, it do give a long lasting stain that will last up to 5 to 6 hours. Is it having a hydrating formula? Definitely yes. And is it watery light texture? Obviously, as I said, it's like a lip oil, so obviously a watery light formula. So the claims it does is obviously a tech. So that's my not so tinny mini review about this particular product. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if this video was helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, that's it for this video. We'll meet very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.